guys, we're English Native and welcome if you are new and welcome back if you have been with us for a while. Today's video will focus on enunciation techniques and this is part 2 of the video. So if you haven't seen part 1, please pause this video. Yes, don't close, just pause the video and check out part 1 so you can practice how to make syllables with that video and practice the words that are there. Then come back over to part 2 so you can continue the learning process. English Native team has been teaching for over 10 years. And out of that time, we've been teaching English as a second language or a foreign language for 6 years. And in all that experience, all that time, all our students tell us it's very difficult to practice pronunciation. And we agree. Without the correct coach or without the right help, it can be difficult. But when you get the best help there is, it is very, very easy. So subscribe to English Native and like and share the video with your friends if you find it helpful for you. Remember, this is a free channel, but $1. The link is in the description if you'd like to. Let's get into our video. How do we pronounce our words and enunciate properly? There are a lot of tips, but the 3 simplest ones is first, you want to break your words at each vowel sound or syllable. We talked about this a little bit more in depth in part 1 of the video, so make sure you check that out. So you want to remember our vowel sounds are a, e, o, and u. So break the word wherever you have a vowel sound. 2 is to speak clearly and start slowly. Especially when you're practicing, you want to make sure that you start slowly so you can get the hang of each syllable or each sound, and then you'll be able to speed it up and sound natural. The 3rd tip is to practice with a voice memo. You can do this and it will help you to hear your mistakes, and then you can practice and make improvements. So keep these 3 tips in mind when we go through each word next. Synthesize. How many syllables in synthesize? Divide into syllables. Syn, th, size. 3 syllables. The stressed syllable in synthesize is on syn. So how do we pronounce this word properly? Syn, th, size. Synthesize. Elucidate. How many syllables in elucidate? Divide into syllables. E, lu, si, date. 4 syllables. The stressed syllable is on lu. So how to pronounce this word? Elucidate. Elucidate. Perfunctory. How many syllables in perfunctory? Divide into syllables. Per, func, to, re. 4 syllables. The stressed syllable is on func. How to pronounce this word? Perfunctory. Perfunctory. Scintillating. How many syllables in scintillating? Divide into syllables. Sin, to, lay, ting. 4 syllables. So how to pronounce this word? Scintillating. Scintillating. Quintessential. How many syllables in quintessential? Divide into syllables. Quin, to, sen, shul. 4 syllables. The primary stress is on sen. The secondary syllable stress is on quin. How to pronounce this word? Quintessential. Quintessential. Fastidious. How many syllables in fastidious? Divide into syllables. Fastid, us. 4 syllables. The stressed syllable is on tid. So how to pronounce this word? Fastidious. Fastidious. Acrimony. How many syllables in acrimony? Divide into syllables. Acrimony. 4 syllables. The stressed syllable is on ac. So how to pronounce this word? Acrimony. Acrimony. Camaraderie. How many syllables in camaraderie? Divide into syllables. Camaraderie. 5 syllables. The primary stress is on re. The secondary syllable stress is on the first part of the word, comma. So how to pronounce this word? Camaraderie. Camaraderie. Capricious. How many syllables in capricious? Divide into syllables. Capricious. 3 syllables. The stressed syllable is on pre. So how to pronounce this word? Capricious. Capricious. Disestablishment. How many syllables in disestablishment? Divide into syllables. Dis-es-tab-lish-ment. 5 syllables. Primary syllable stress is on tab. Secondary syllable stress is on dis. So how to pronounce this word? Disestablishment. Disestablishment.